Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon aburi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 8 ounces of fresh, sashimi-grade salmon, which is crucial for this dish. Next, prepare your sushi rice using 2 cups of cooked short-grain rice, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, have your favorite toppings ready, such as Japanese mayonnaise and a good quality soy sauce. Now, let's prepare our main components. Carefully slice your sashimi-grade salmon against the grain into uniform pieces, each about 1/4 inch thick. Aim for pieces roughly 2 inches long and 1 inch wide. Next, moisten your hands and gently form the seasoned sushi rice into small, oval-shaped balls. Each rice ball should weigh approximately 1 ounce. Keeping the rice slightly warm will enhance the overall experience of your aburi. This is where the magic happens. Place a salmon slice over each rice ball. Then, using a kitchen torch, carefully sear the surface of the salmon. Move the flame evenly to achieve a beautiful, lightly browned, and slightly cooked top layer. This process creates that signature smoky aroma and tender texture. Immediately after torching, drizzle a small amount of Japanese mayonnaise and a few drops of soy sauce over each piece. To complete your delicious salmon aburi, add some finishing touches. A sprinkle of finely chopped green onions or a dash of toasted sesame seeds adds both color and an extra layer of flavor. The key is to serve your aburi immediately after preparation. This ensures you enjoy the delightful contrast of the warm, seared salmon and the perfectly seasoned, slightly cool sushi rice. Get ready to savor this restaurant-quality dish right in your own home.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.